Hi guys, so I've decided to mix it up this week. I am going to be shooting my vlog on my phone just to see the quality difference and see how it turns out. So I'm currently heading to Wolverhampton to collect some food.
The flight won't take off because there's been a problem with the...
So I'm back home, he's coming home and then this is what I've got. So I've got some salad, which is called Summer. Then I have got some yellow da lentils. This is a vegetable curry. And then this is a chicken curry. And then I think I've got another chicken curry. Yep, and some chapatis. So that's me sorted for the next few days. So it's Tuesday and I'm at the H Suite, which is behind me, and I'm shooting an event today for Saad Hussein and his property network. So I'll be taking photos, creating a reel, and I'll show you what it's all about. So the Saad Hussein event's finished now. People are just networking behind me. This is the last bit of the event. I am going to go home now, edit the photos and get them up on social media, ready for them to be shared. And then this evening, this is the setup I had while I was here. I had my computer and I was editing. But today on Amazon, I've been looking at computers and I have actually bought a new laptop. So I'll show you that later on. All packed up now, so heading home where I will edit the rest of the images. So I'm back home and I've edited all the photos. They look something like this. They've been exported, they've been denoised, and now they are currently being uploaded to Dropbox, which is just here. They'll be up in the next 6 minutes. But while I was back, I also bought some products from Amazon Prime Day. Let me show you what I got. So these are the items that I bought today. So first of all, I bought some suitcases for £129, and those are a pack of 3. So you got a small one, a medium one, a big one. They'll come useful when I'm going to Albania next month. Then I bought a massive purchase, which was an Apple 2003 MacBook Pro, 18GB, 512GB storage, and an M3 Pro chip. So this computer that I've got here, this machine here, this one's an M2, but this laptop's an M3, and I think for £1,489, that's a really good price, because to buy this one is normally £2,100, so there's around about a £600 save in there. But then because it's only got a 512 memory, I bought this 1TB Extreme Pro portable SSD hard drive, and then I bought another memory card for my camera, and then these 2 items here I've bought for when I do these vlogs. So it allows me to attach my camera phone to the back of my camera and then film what I'm actually doing. So when I'm photographing, you'll be able to see the screen and what I'm doing, landscape. So that'll be like a cool new angle that you'd be able to see for when I'm shooting events. But yeah, so that's what I spent a lot of money today on Amazon Prime's got some good deals. and I just wanted to share with you. So these items will come over the next few days, so when they come I will unbox them and I will show you them, and I'll start using them as well, and you'll see them in the blog. So I just posted all the pictures on Flickr now, so they're all up ready for people to view and see. They'll probably be shared in the morning now because it's what, nearly 1:30, so it's a bit late, but they're up though so people can see them. So today I'm at 54 Hagley Road, and this is the headquarters of the Greater Birmingham Chamber of Commerce. And today I'm shooting an event for the Black Business Collective, which is a new initiative set up by the Chamber of Commerce to support black businesses within the region. Yeah, so in this month's Chamberlink magazine, July-August edition, there's a few photos that I've taken. So there was a conference recently where I photographed it, and we've got these photos here which I captured, and then also this photo here, and then finally a good photo of my friend Kasim Chowdhury from Future Faces. He's the president and he talks about Future Faces and what's going on. So yeah, really proud of these images. It's different sometimes when you see your pictures online digitally, but when you see them in print, you feel a bit more proud. So it's Friday today, and I've got two jobs on today. One is like a fun day for a company. They're having a barbecue outside. And then the second job is at the Grand Hotel, and it's for the Black Business magazine. They're having a gala dinner, so I'll be creating a reel for that. And for the first one, I'll be making a video and also taking some photos. But before I do that, I need to go and buy a filter, like a lens filter, for the front of one of my lenses, because I'm shooting outside, so I don't want all the images to be blown out. So I'm going to go to Wex and see if they've got a lens filter for my lens. So there's like a special, what day is that, like a Wex day or something?
It's our Wex Roadshow.
Our Wex Roadshow on today, so it's very busy in store. This is the lens filter that I'm buying right here for this lens, 77mm, so that'll help me on my job today. So I've got my lens filter, and now I'm going to be heading to the Abbey Hotel, say in about 30 minutes. So I'll get there for 12:15, which is good because I've got to be there for 12:30, and the event starts at 1 o'clock. So it's a nice sunny day. I'm going to drive down now. So I'm at the Abbey Hotel, and we're in the Arden Suite, which is just behind me, and I'll be shooting I think it's like a business fun day slash barbecue for the staff for a big IT company. finished shooting this summer barbecue event. It wasn't actually a barbecue in the end. They cooked the food in an oven and then served it. Really annoying that, because I do love a barbecue. But oh well, so I'm gonna head back into Birmingham now, and I think I've got enough time to actually go home, get changed, and then head to the gala dinner tonight, which I am making a video for, which is for the Black Business magazine. So back in the city centre in Birmingham, and I'm heading to the Grand now. Managed to get changed on the way back. So I'll be shooting now this event, making a reel. Going to shoot it on my camera and shoot it portrait and make a quick reel, which I'll edit on my phone. So I'll show you what it's all about right now.
Hi, I'm Justice Williams, MB. I'm the co-founder and editor-in-chief at Black Business magazine. Today it is our first year anniversary gala taking place at the Grand Hotel in Birmingham, where we celebrate issue 5 of Black Business magazine with Candice Brathwaite, the Women of Influence edition. It is a 276-page edition with over 70 amazing and inspirational women of influence, entrepreneurs, leaders, professionals, women leading and making impact within society. And tonight we're just celebrating with all our friends, our family, our sponsors, our supporters, our subscribers. We really truly appreciate your support, and we unveiled the next phase of Black Business magazine, where we have launched our discovery box of black owned brands, which you can subscribe to on a quarterly basis. So thank you all for coming tonight and celebrating with us at our anniversary gala.
The bacalao con champignons. The esfotado cocido. Patatas bravas. And then for our main, the paella frutas del mar. And that's it for us, thank you. So we have some slow roasted pork shoulder here, and then we have some prawns in chili, herb, garlic and white wine, and we're just waiting for the extra tapas to come. Okay. Excited. These are fried potato in garlic aioli and okay, but listen, when you eat over here we have some garlic chicken skewers, and then next to the garlic chicken skewers over there we have some deep fried calamari, which looks absolutely amazing. And here we have some slow roasted seafood. And here we have our seafood paella. It's got some large gambas, we've got prawns, mussels, squid and some clams. We cannot wait to begin.
Good morning. So it's Sunday today, and I'm off to the Belfry to capture an event for Ste Hamilton. It's early in the morning, so let me show you what it's all about. So it's lunchtime, guys, and look what I've had. Fish and chips from the Belfry. Looks good. Sam's Clubhouse. So the event's done, and also the photos are done because I was able to edit on site, so that's going to save me a lot of time. So now I'm heading to Wolverhampton to collect some parcels that have been delivered from Amazon, and also my meal prep for the rest of the week.